Hello, Jamaica. Welcome to a journey where we explore the vibrant heart of our island and the health of our people. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that affects many of us but often goes unnoticed. Are you ready to take control of your health? This is Usain Bolt, and I have some serious things to discuss. As a world-renowned athlete, I know the importance of staying fit and healthy, but there's more to it than just speed. You know, I am the man for speed, for pushing the limits. But even the fastest man in the world has to take care of his health. And so do you. To win, you have to be healthy, right? Staying active and eating right are key, but there's more to it. Let's dive deeper. High blood pressure slows you down like molasses. It's a silent killer that can affect anyone regardless of age or fitness level. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Managing high blood pressure is crucial for overall health, and Jamaicans can take several steps to help manage and potentially reduce their blood pressure. From regular checkups to lifestyle changes, every little bit helps. Let's get started. Here are 5 effective ways to help with high blood pressure. These steps are simple, practical, and can make a big difference in your life. Ready to make a change? So today, we are going to talk about high blood pressure and how we can control it. It's all about making small, sustainable changes that add up over time. Let's take this journey together. We are going to break it down into 5 easy steps, things we all can do to live healthier, longer lives. From eating more fruits and vegetables to staying active. These tips are for everyone. Let's get started. Stay tuned, Jamaica, because we are going to get that gold medal in health. Together we can make a difference and live our best lives. Let's do this. Chapter 1. First things first, we have to talk about salt. Salt, you see, is more than just a seasoning. It's a staple in Jamaican cuisine, a cornerstone of our culinary heritage. Yes, I know salt is the life of Jamaican food. Jerk chicken without it? Unthinkable. Salt brings out the flavors, makes the spices sing. Ackee and saltfish? No way. It's like a symphony, and salt is the conductor guiding the flavors to perfection. But listen, too much salt and your blood pressure will go up faster than Usain Bolt in a 100-meter race. It's a delicate balance, my friend. Now, I'm not saying to throw away the salt completely. Moderation is key. We can still enjoy our food without overdoing it. We are Jamaican, we love flavor, it's in our blood, our culture, but we have to be mindful of our health too. But we can be smart about it. We can find new ways to bring out the flavors without relying solely on salt. Instead of heaping up the salt, how about we experiment with other spices? Scotch bonnet peppers, thyme, pimento, the possibilities are endless. Let's embrace the richness of our spice heritage and keep our hearts healthy. Chapter 2. Alright, so we are easing up on the salt. What's next? Time to bring in the potassium. Potassium is like the cool, calm friend of salt. It helps balance things out and keep your blood pressure in check. And guess what? Jamaica is bursting with potassium-rich food. We are talking about our beloved banana, sweet potato, yam, all of those good things we grew up with. This one is a no-brainer, especially coming from me. Exercise. Getting your body moving is like magic for your blood pressure, and it doesn't have to be running like you're chasing a world record. Jamaica, we love to dance. So put on some reggae, some dancehall, whatever gets you moving and feel the rhythm. A little walk every day, a swim in the sea, it all adds up. Alright, let's dive into the world of food once more. Jamaican cuisine is absolutely delightful, no question about it. However, our portions can sometimes be quite generous, even for someone with a hearty appetite like mine. Remember, moderation is key. Balancing our meals is essential for good health. While we love our rice and peas, it's important to include plenty of vegetables on our plates. Think about adding kalaloo, okra, and chayote. There are so many delicious and nutritious options to choose from. Alright, let's talk about something close to our hearts. We all love a good rum punch, right? It's a staple at our gatherings, and who can resist our Blue Mountain coffee? It's like a hug in a mug. But remember, too much of a good thing can turn sour. No need to cut them out completely. Just keep an eye on how much you're having. Maybe swap that extra rum punch for some refreshing coconut water. Your body will thank you. And instead of reaching for that fourth cup of coffee, why not try some soothing herbal tea? So there you have it, Jamaica. We've journeyed through the vibrant culture, the rich history, and the beautiful landscapes of our island. 5 simple steps to help keep that blood pressure in check. From eating fresh, local produce to staying active with family and friends, these steps are easy to follow and can make a big difference. Remember, we are not aiming for perfection, just progress. It's about making small, sustainable changes that fit into your daily life. Every little change you make, every healthy choice, it all adds up. Whether it's choosing water over sugary drinks or adding more vegetables to your meals, these choices matter. Just like training for a race, it takes dedication and consistency. Our athletes know this well, and so do you. Keep pushing, keep striving, but trust me, the reward of a healthier, happier you is worth it. Imagine the joy of feeling your best, of having the energy to do the things you love with the people you care about. So let's do this, Jamaica. Together we can create a healthier future for ourselves and our children. Let's support each other and celebrate every victory, no matter how small. Let's show the world what we are about. One love. Let's unite in our efforts and show the world the strength and spirit of Jamaica. One love, always. Together we rise.
Jamaican with Tania. Jamaican with Tania. Jamaican with Tania. Jamaican with Tania. When me walk through the valley of